Hi guys, welcome once again to another wonderful spiritual tip. In this video today, I want to share with you guys how I bought a land after using alligator pepper. Yes, I bought a land after using alligator pepper. So make sure you watch the video to an end if you are seeing me for the first time, so that when you are going to practice your own, you practice it perfectly, and whatever thing that you have been asking God for a very long time, it will be granted to you, okay, by the special grace of God. Okay, I want to share this testimony. There was a land I wanted to buy. That land was 3 million naira. Okay, but what I have at that time was 2 million naira. I don't have 3 million naira. So the owner wanted to sell that land 3 million. And there are other people that were coming to buy the land 2.5. Okay. And only 2 million naira was the money I have. So I don't know what to do, but I needed that land for myself. So I have to go to my house. Okay. I have to go to my house and pick my alligator pepper. Every morning, I did this prayer for 7 days. Every morning, I will pick my alligator pepper, open it from my back, I'll bring out 5 seed from it, 5 seed. I use that 5 seed and cleanse the whole of my body. I use it and cleanse the whole of my body. After cleansing the whole of my body, I will spit on it and throw it away. Okay. Then I will take another 7 seed from that same alligator pepper. I'll put it inside my mouth and chew it. As I was chewing it, I'll be praying. I'll be saying that God, this land, I need it. I want to buy it. Whatever thing that will make me buy this land, let it come. Whatever thing that will make me not to buy this land, let it go away. Okay. These are the prayers I was doing for 7 days. Every morning, once I wake up, I will just pick my alligator pepper. Okay. Now, after saying that prayer, I will take my Lord drink, and also say that this land, you must belong to me. I must have you. Okay. You must be mine. These are the prayers I was doing for good 7 days. For good 7 days. I was doing this prayer for good 7 days. Okay. Now, after that 7 days of that prayer, the owner of that land called me one evening. One evening, he just called me and told me that, am I serious to buy the land? I told him yes, that I wanted to buy the land. He said, okay, that's when am I going to pay? I was like surprised. I was shocked. He now tell me that since that time that his spirit, his mind has been disturbing him to sell the land to me. So I was happy, to hear that. And that was how everything happened. I have to pay. I have to rush and pay to acquire that land. Okay, with just only alligator pepper and my Lord drink. That was how I have that testimony of having that land. Okay, I did this prayer. For good 7 days. That's 1 week. For good 7 days, I was able to acquire this. Okay, so that's all you can know about this for now. Okay, so make sure you practice this. If you are asking God for anything, if you want to have anything in your life that you don't have the capacity, like you don't have the financial capacity, just practice this. By the special grace of God, you will have that. Okay, so make sure you practice this video. Make sure you practice this. Whatever thing I've been asking God, by the special grace of God, you will have it. Okay, so that is what alligator pepper have done in my life. Okay, so I'm so happy. I just want to share this testimony with you guys on this particular video. Okay, so make sure you always use alligator pepper. Some people neglect this item. This is a very powerful spiritual item. Some people neglect it. Okay, it's a very powerful spiritual item. Make sure you have it with you. It helps a lot. Okay, it helps a lot. All right, so that's all it's did for me. Okay, if you have any question you want to ask on this video, use the comment section so that I'll reply you. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.